Hey, what's up guys? Stryker here again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the last BJJ video. This time I'm bringing you guys out to Mount Snow in Vermont. This footage is actually weeks old. I've just been so smashed with trying to put out a bunch of different stuff that this kind of got put on the back burner. Me and my close friends, Ricky and Kevin, decided to go out and snowboard and ski one of the first few days out on the slopes, so everything's not all snowy and stuff like it is now that everywhere's got dumped on. So the conditions weren't that great. They were a little icy, and you know, we're always clowning each other. So we're gonna go ahead and bring you guys to Mount Snow. And again, Hawaii project on deck. I'm leaving in 6 days from today, or 5 or 6 days from today. Bunch of vlogs coming from that. I'm going to document the whole trip out there and kind of vlog everything that I'm doing, and then hopefully give you guys 1 or 2 videos of that whole cinematic experience. So with that being said, I'm going to see you in the next frame.
Yeah.
First thing we're doing is bitching about getting there and not getting the tickets earlier.
Damn it, Stryker.
And he is sad that he didn't get to sleep in a few more hours.
What are you doing?
Almost ready to ride. Got the drone here, helmet, GoPro's gonna go on that. Got it on the chest strap. I'm all set to go. These fucks, not so much. Not so much today. Alright, let's get on this bitch. Back from Vegas.
This feels good right here.
Alright, it's motherfucking helmet cam go time.
I think you're looking down too much.
Alright, go ahead, I'll get you. Can't believe none of us have fallen yet. It's gonna happen, and whoever falls first is getting motherfucking rolled, son. Those are neat. Ha ha ha.